Course 502 Set C. Part 1. Which of the following approaches will you adopt for all-round development of your student? Teacher-centered, subject-centered, learner-centered and competency-centered. I don't know the exactly answer. I am thinking whether it may be C or D. Second one. Which is not a major element of an effective learning activity? Major learning is, it should be very easy. RAM denotes random access memory. Option B is the correct. In ABCD model of writing learning objectives, if A is audience, B is behavior, C is condition, what will D denote? I don't know the answer. Number 5. Which of the following will you adopt to manage multi-level situation in your class? Option A. All students will be allowed to learn within the same limit time. Option B. Students allowed to participate in the classroom process as per teacher's instruction. C. Students' choice remaining in the group will be allowed. D. Students are grouped as per teacher's choice. Next, number 6. As a teacher, which of the following you must possess to manage MLE classes effectively? A. Fluency in students' home language and also in other languages. B. Emphasis on the child culture value. Use of cultural concepts to each academic concepts. Provide safe environment for other cultures and languages. 7th. What type of assessment will you adopt to enhance learning of your students? Formative assessment. This is exact answer. How do you use observational learning for your students? I am thinking B will be the correct option. Motivate the students to express their views on their observation. Next, a lesson note helps the teacher in proceeding systematically in the classroom teaching. Which of the following is not a characteristic of project method of learning and teaching? Due to the project method of problem solving will improve, activity based will improve, development of democratic values will improve, only individualistic nature won't be improved. That's why I am thinking B will be the correct answer. Next, part 2. In these 10 questions contains, each one carries 5 marks. We have to answer only 6 out of them. 11. Name the techniques of qualitative assessment. Describe any one in brief. 12. How can you use ICT tools in learner-centered approach of teaching and learning? Discuss with an example. 13. What is the meaning of inclusive education? What are the provisions under SSA for inclusive education? Discuss in brief. 14. How many major operations a computer performs? Describe in brief. 15th. Why group learning is needed for cognitive development of students? Discuss 5 reasons on the basis of your experience. 16. How do you use demonstration method of learning and teaching? Explain with an example you conducted in your classroom. 17. Prepare a unit plan on any unit in any subject of your choice for a class you are teaching. 18. For teaching in multi-grade situation, how will you plan time schedule? Discuss with an example. 19. Why is the learner-centered approach considered good approach of learning and teaching? State any 5 reasons on the basis of your experience. 20. How many types of test items are there? Give one example each of any 3 objective type of test items. These are 10 marks questions. 4 has given, only 2 we have to answer in 600 words. 21. How do you use qualitative and quantitative data for CCE? CCE means continuous comprehensive evaluation of your students. Explain on the basis of your experiences. 22. How can you plan follow-up program on the basis of assessment results of your student? Explain with suitable examples. 23. How do you use formative and summative assessment of your students' learning and how it helps you and your students? Discuss on the basis of your own experiences. 24. What is the difference between lesson note and scheme of lessons? Why do you need to prepare both? Thank you.